This is thoracic spine curls, and elbows stack onto each other. Take a breath in, flex. So think of your upper back peel off the wall one segment at a time. You will feel the stretch on your upper back, middle back. When you found your end range, you're going to rotate to one side. Find your maximum rotation. When you meet your end, you're going to do side flexion, which is side tilting. You're going to extend, squeeze the tissue at the back, and watch out for the shoulder. In an extension, you're going to do rotation. When you meet your end, side tilting again. When you meet your end, you're going to rotate and then come back to the center. Now I'm going to show you from different angle. You're going to rotate. There's no movement on the hip. Drop your shoulder at the back jeans pocket. When you reach your end, extend into rotation. Rotate to the opposite direction. You finish the rotation. When there's no more space, you drop the shoulder backward and you do rotation. You can feel the tension, the squeezing on your obliques. You're going to come back to the center. You can extend to return to your starting position. And that is one full T-spine curl. So to repeat, you can always play back the video. I'm just going to keep the video short and sweet.